Welcome back. In this video, we'll be using Uniswap to swap Ethereum into USDC and then add that to an Ethereum USDC liquidity pool to start earning some rewards. Let's get started. First, you want to open your web browser and navigate to the Uniswap website at uniswap.org. Once there, click on the Launch App button to access the Uniswap interface. Once you're on Uniswap, click on the Connect wallet at the top right corner. We'll then select MetaMask from the drop-down. A MetaMask pop-up will appear. If it doesn't, just simply click on your toolbar and then approve the wallet connection request. Click Next, click Connect. Now your MetaMask wallet is connected to Uniswap, and you should be able to see your wallet address and Ethereum balance at the top right corner of the Uniswap interface. Now we'll need to swap $10 worth of ETH for USDC. In the Uniswap interface, ensure swap is selected here, then select ETH as the from token and select USDC as the to token. Enter the amount of ETH that you want to swap. To calculate the exact amount of Ethereum equivalent to $10, you can either use a cryptocurrency conversion tool or quickly search online. I'm just going to use a bit of trial and error, and I figured this was close enough, and it gives you the estimated value here. What you also need to make sure is that the network selected here is Arbitrum, and there are different options as shown. If we're happy here, we can see that will cost us about 3 cents, and then we'll swap. You'll need to approve the swap in your wallet. Again, you'll either have to pop up or have to click MetaMask in your toolbar. Make sure to review all the information here and make sure that the activity that is being approved is what you're expecting. Once that's been completed, you'll get a notification saying that's confirmed, and you'll also be able to see here that you now have a balance of USDC. And you can see it here again in the Uniswap UI. Now that the swap is complete and we have USDC in our MetaMask wallet, we can now add liquidity to the Ethereum USDC liquidity pool. We're going to do this on SushiSwap. So navigate on your browser to the SushiSwap website, which is www.sushi.com/swap. We will now click on the Pools tab at the top. This pulls up a list of all the available liquidity pools on SushiSwap. You can see the total value locked, the different volumes in 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, the fees generated by the pool in the past 24 hours, and the annualized percentage return for each of these pools. What we're going to make sure we do is select the Arbitrum network pools. And look for the ETH USDC pool. Here we have it. So firstly, we need to also connect our wallet to the SushiSwap website. So again, click Connect Wallet, then MetaMask from the drop-down, and then approve that on MetaMask. You can see the wallet is now connected and it is showing my Ethereum and USDC balance. So to add liquidity, what we're going to do is add $5 of USDC and $5 of Ethereum. We'll now have to approve the token spend on MetaMask. This is simply just permitting SushiSwap to send USDC on your behalf. Once that's approved, you can then click Add Liquidity again and confirm that on your MetaMask dropdown. You can now see that we have a position of $10 providing liquidity in this pool, $5 of Ethereum and $5 of USDC. So what we've actually been given here is LP tokens, as discussed in the lectures, to represent our share here. And you can see that when we go to remove our assets, it says trade in your LP tokens to receive your underlying tokens. So to get all our assets back, we'll simply click max, permit the spending of our LP tokens, approve that in MetaMask, and then remove the liquidity. You can see this is now finished as there is now 0 positions on this liquidity pool, and it's saying that there's no LP tokens found in our wallet. And that's it. In this lecture, we've successfully swapped ETH for USDC and added liquidity to the ETH USDC pool. Had we left our tokens in the pool, we could have earned a portion of these trading fees over time. Thank you for following along in this lecture, and I'll see you in the next video.